So I've already done my skincare, and starting with the primer, I'm using here the Blue Heaven primer. This is basically a silicone based primer and provides a nice base beneath. I've almost finished it up, and I just applied generous amount mainly on the T-zone and then just spread it evenly all over my face. Then next for foundation, I'm using the Superstay from Maybelline. I'm in the shade Golden. I simply took one pump, that's it, and applied it in dots all over my face, and then used a damp beauty blender to blend this foundation in. Now I really didn't want a heavy base, so I just took a pump of it because this foundation is damn full coverage and it gets the job done. Even one pump will give you a nice coverage, so I used that. Now you can also go in with just concealer, but I have acne scars, so I went in with the foundation. Then went in with the NYB liquid concealer and applied it down my nose, a little bit on the forehead, Cupid's bow chin, and right under my eyes to cover the bags. Now again, a little amount is enough, and blended it with the same beauty sponge. So in this way I would get a light base and not too heavy, not too cakey, but really breathable. And so I just went in with little amounts of all the stuff. Next, to set this base and concealer, I used the Maybelline compact powder. This is the white super fresh in the shade Shell, and applied it on the concealer areas as well as a little amount all over my face to set the foundation. Now to add back warmth to my face, I used the bronzing side from the contouring palette from Wet n Wild and added it to the hollows of my cheek, right on my jawline, and with a small brush sides the bridge of my nose, and then I cleaned it with the powder side from the same contouring palette to give nice blended look. Then for my brows, again I went in with the retractable brow pencil from Wet n Wild in the shade medium brown and filled the sparse gaps and brushed them through with the spoolie. I would not recommend buying this brow pencil. It is kind of waxy. It tugs on to my hair and does even plug them off at times. So yes. Next, I'm going in with a heavy kohl today. For that, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Applied it in my lower waterline, and then I smudged it down to give a nice thick kohl look, which I really like. Then used a smudger brush and just blended everything in so that there's no space left and it looks nice and smooth. Later I just curled my lashes and applied loads of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I freaking love this mascara. It is so damn good. It gives me those fluttery lashes. Yes, so I've applied this on my upper as well as lower lashes. Next, for highlight, I'm going in with the Master Chrome from Maybelline. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and applied it with a stippling brush on the tops of my cheek and down my nose, Cupid's bow chin, as well as a little bit on my forehead. So not much of makeup, but this glass like skin look gives that effect. So I went in bang with my highlight. Next, for my lipstick, I went in with Truffle Brown. This is from the Blue Heaven Non-Transfer Lipstick range. A beautiful burnt orange red kind of shade. It looks gorgeous. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.